Welcome back to Learning with the Difference news headlines for 12th of May. And first of all, national news. Land on which Taj Mahal built belonged to Jaipur ruler, says BJP MP. Bulldozer drive again in South Delhi areas, action paused in Silapur. BSE's net profit climbed over two-folds to 71.52 crore in March quarter. Journalist arrested on hold after Supreme Court decision on sedition. The case against Aman Chopra involved allegedly promoting enmity between groups. Tata Technologies signed pact with Assam government to transform Polytechnics ITIs into centers of excellence. IIT Guwahati developed secure integrated circuits for next generation computing. Jharkhand mining secretary arrested in alleged money laundering case. Haryana announced anti-terror squad day after attack on Punjab police headquarters. And now some international news. China hit back on Wednesday against what it called irresponsible comments by the head of the World Health Organization. Al Jazeera alleged that Israeli troops killed the reporter in a raid in West Bank. Pact Defense Minister indicated general elections can be held before November. The passenger with no flying experience glided the plane to Florida airport after the pilot on board was incapacitated due to the medical issue. And now some sports news. EA teased 4 new games for early 2023, new remake and major IP included. Best captain of IPL 2022 Hardik Pandya garners praised as he guides GT to playoffs. Price tag pressure. Ishan Kishan revealed discussion with Rohit Sharma Virat Kohli after being bought for Indian rupee 15.25 crore. Umran Malik has bowled the fastest delivery of the IPL 2022 with a 157 km per hour screamer in a match against Delhi Capitals. And now let's have a look on weather. The weather on 12th May in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 31 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, temperatures will drop to 29 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.